Introducing spaghetti. Wait, no. Introducing SimplyPrint AI. Just add a camera to your printer, if it doesn't have one built in already, and activate the AI in the printer control panel. Our AI has seen millions of print hours across thousands of printers. Oh, looks like the AI has detected an issue. You can choose different actions for the AI to take. In this case, it will pause the print and notify the user with a picture of the issue, along with the option to cancel or resume the print, saving you time and money. The SimplyPrint AI is launched with 3 detectable failure types: spaghetti, warping, and blobbing, with more to come. Chances are you're only a few minutes away from a smarter, AI-powered 3D printing experience, as there are more than 500 compatible printers. Have the SimplyPrint AI monitor your prints, so you don't have to. Go to simplyprint.io to get SimplyPrint today.